told you in every other dance track you need a dancer, and the babe, call me. Well done, babe, that was lush. Zoe.
I thoroughly enjoyed that. The lower tones, like the lower notes in that were so rich and pretty. They were stunning. And it was nice, it was so nice to see you like let go a bit and not be so like stuck like statue. Like I could still tell you were a bit nervous and stuff, but it was nice to see you at least look more nervous. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. And I think the song suited your voice and tone really well. It was a really good performance. Well done.
Thanks, Kelly.
Yeah, I think I kind of like challenged all of you, didn't I, this week with that tempo. I think I chucked all of you out of your comfort zone completely. And I know you really struggled with that tempo, but I really got to commend you for embracing the theme. It's so nice to see you up there having a little bit of fun. I think it's the most you've pushed your voice vocally. I don't think it was your best vocal performance. I think you are definitely more suited to the stuff that we've done before. But it was really nice to sort of, I think it helped your confidence out because you were there and you were having a bit more fun. It wasn't so much about the vocal tonight, it was more about pulling you out of yourself. And I know you've worked really, really hard. And I can see you really got into it in the choruses. I said that during the week, the choruses were your thing. They really, really showed off what you could do. And from the first chorus, your confidence sort of like built down throughout the song. And it was just lovely to see you go a little bit wild and have a little bit of fun. Well done, lovely.
Thanks, Joey.
Exactly like I just said to Keely, this was never going to be your best anyway, and it wasn't your best, it wasn't. And because it was up-tempo, and this is very much not the sort of thing that you would do as a singer. From what I visualise and what I've seen the last couple of weeks, you had some incredible performances so far. And like I said, this actually did suit you. It was a little bit over the place. There was a few notes that went out to pitch and all of this sort of stuff. But the song overall, it almost like if you practiced it maybe a little bit more, knew the melody, because there was some timing issues. If you knew the melody, it would have been bang on for your voice, because it actually, your tone worked really well on a Miley Cyrus song. So we knew this was never going to be your best, but what I did love about it, and what you need to take from that, what you just did, is that it did put you out your comfort zone. And it did make you have to move and think. I love the outfit, Sibel. It looks absolutely incredible. It's really suited the song well. Really, really well. And you did have to, and I wanted to take that from it, because obviously if you are successful now into next week, what I want you to do is take that, you know, you can relax a lot more up there, you know, because you've just shown us you partying, you know? So you should be relaxed now for future performances, right? Well done. I think you took on the challenge, exactly what you needed to do. Well done.